In today's video, we're diving into powerlifting, a sport that focuses on strength, performance, and pushing your limits. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced lifter, this video has got you covered. Get ready to unleash your strength and dominate the weights. Powerlifting is not just about building muscle, it's about developing raw strength, increasing your 1 repetition maximum, 1 RM, and continuously striving for new personal bests. Benefits of powerlifting. Now that we know the basics, let's explore the incredible benefits of powerlifting. Powerlifting is an excellent way to build overall strength and increase muscle mass. Regularly performing compound lifts enables you to engage multiple muscle groups, leading to functional strength that translates into your daily life. Powerlifting also helps to improve bone density and joint stability, reducing the risk of injuries and osteoporosis. It also boosts your metabolism, helping you burn calories outside the gym. Powerlifting provides a sense of accomplishment and boosts confidence as you set and achieve new personal records. It requires mental focus, discipline, and perseverance, teaching valuable life skills that extend beyond the weight room. Proper technique and form. Before we dive into the workout, let's focus on proper technique and form. It's crucial to prioritize safety and perform each lift with appropriate mechanics. Here's a step-by-step guide for each lift. Squat. Position the barbell on your upper back, step back, and place your feet shoulder-width apart. Initiate the movement by bending at the hips and knees, keeping your chest and back straight. Descend until your thighs are parallel to the ground, then drive through your heels to stand back up. Bench press. Lie on the bench with your feet flat on the floor. Grip the barbell slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower the barbell to your chest while maintaining tension in your upper body, then push it back up to full arm extension. Deadlift. Approach the barbell with your feet hip width apart and the barbell over your midfoot. Bend down, gripping the bar just outside your shins. Keep your back straight, lift your chest, and drive through your heels, extending your hips until you stand tall. Starting with lighter weights is essential to focus on mastering proper form. Please feel free to seek guidance from a qualified trainer if you need clarification on your technique. Powerlifting workout routine. Now, unleash your strength with a powerlifting workout routine. We'll focus on the 3 main lifts: squat, bench press, and deadlift, and incorporate accessory exercises to complement your strength development. Squat. Warm-up. Perform bodyweight squats and dynamic stretches to warm up your lower body. Working sets. Perform 3 to 5 sets of 5 to 8 repetitions with a weight challenging enough to elicit strength gains. Bench press. Warm-up. Start with the empty barbell and gradually add weight while performing warm-up sets to activate your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Working sets. Perform 3 to 5 sets of 5 to 8 repetitions with a weight challenging enough to stimulate muscle growth and strength gains. Deadlift. Warm-up. Start with a lighter weight and gradually increase the load while focusing on proper form and technique. Accessory exercises. After completing the main lifts, incorporate accessory exercises that target specific muscle groups involved in powerlifting, such as barbell rows, overhead press, Romanian deadlifts, dumbbell lunges, pull-ups or lat pull-downs. Remember to choose weights that challenge you but still allow you to maintain proper form. Rest for 2 to 3 minutes between sets to maximize recovery. Progression and safety. As you progress in your powerlifting journey, it's important to keep a few things in mind. Progressive overload. Continually challenge your muscles by gradually increasing the weight or volume of your lifts over time. This will ensure ongoing strength gains. Proper recovery. Allow your body enough time to recover between workouts to prevent overtraining and reduce the risk of injury. Aim for 48 to 72 hours of rest between intense lifting sessions. Listen to your body. Pay attention to any signs of pain or discomfort. If something doesn't feel right, adjust your technique, lower the weight, or consult a qualified trainer or healthcare professional. Nutrition and hydration. Fuel your body with a balanced diet with sufficient protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Stay hydrated before, during, and after your workouts to optimize performance and recovery. And there you have it. a detailed powerlifting workout routine designed to unleash your strength and dominate the weights. Remember, powerlifting is a journey that requires patience, consistency, and determination. Thank you for watching, and keep pushing your limits to become a stronger, more powerful version of yourself.